Welcome back. Today I want to introduce you to a spray jacket for the NOMAD PDU V5. Been asked many times, how to protect a unit when they're taking them out onto a boat. And we specifically built it for that reason. It doesn't make it waterproof. And what I need to stress is that even though it's a jacket to cover the unit, we still have ventilation coming out through the unit. So what you don't want to be doing is completely enclosing it to radiate heat and so forth. So let's have a look at it a bit closer. That's the unit in this little bag. And as you can see, you can pull the flap back and all your little knickknacks are all exposed, including your solar poles like so here. And then at the top you can unbolt it out like so, and then the unit pulls out. So it's quite easy, and there's no zippers. The reason there's no zippers is because they do rust and that's corrode when you're out in a marine environment. So that's basically put it in through the top, close it up like so, and then you've got a flap at the front, like so, that's got all the openings for your connections, outputs, inputs, switching, and so forth. So the idea of this is when you're out in the boat, you can put it into the bag, put it out there. It's now going to be splash proof. It's not waterproof. And the other thing I will say to you is do not put these into your vehicle with the jacket on in an enclosed environment, and do your best to enclose it and stop ventilation. You must ventilate the units, so I wouldn't use the jacket in the vehicle. The NOMAD PDU brackets that we have, they will not fit. This will not fit into the bracket with the jacket on. And there's a reason we've done that, is to make sure that if you put it into the vehicle, you shouldn't have the jacket on anyway. It's really there for if you're out on the boat or you're just going to get some water on occasion, a bit of splash on it and things like that. So it's just going to protect it. Made of 100% polyester, UV protected and so on. So these will be available from the partners end of February 2021. So make inquiries as such through the partner channel, or you can contact us directly at contact@nomadpdu.com.au. That's the splash jacket for the NOMAD PDU. Looks pretty cool. But again, can't stress enough that you must always ensure that you ventilate your nomads wherever possible. And again, we're not going to enclose this any further, so we're letting it breathe in through the outlets we've got on here. So again, nomadpdu.com.au, available end of February, the splash jacket, and we'll talk again soon. Thanks again.